Hello, welcome back to apostleOne tutorials. Me. Now, I know you people are expecting me to start uploading the videos, but there have been some inconveniences. But let's start with this one. As time goes on, you're going to upload more videos, so watch out for me. Now, let's go. Okay, so you can see this one is a word problem. The sum of three numbers is 58. The second number is 4 more than the first number. And the third number is 8 more than the second number. What are the numbers? How many numbers do we have? We have 3 numbers. So which means that we have to look for the 3 numbers. So how are you going to start? Solution. 3 numbers. The sum of 3 numbers is 58. It means that when I add the 3 numbers, it's supposed to give me 58. Now, where is the first number? Where is the second number? Where is the third number? Okay. Now, let me start from here. Let the first number be equal to m. Now, the second number be equal to a. And the third number be equal to b. Now, so these are the numbers. The sum means addition of 3 numbers. Where are the numbers? The numbers are m, a, and b. M, A, and B. So it means that when we add these 3 numbers, it's supposed to give me 58. So that will be my first statement. 58. So it means that M plus A plus B is supposed to give me 58. Let me take this one as equation 1. Equation 1. Now let's move on. The second number is 4 more than the first number. Now the second statement is talking about differences, a relationship between the second number and the first number. Now what is the second number? The second number is A. And what is the first number? The first number is M. And it says that the second number is 4 more than the first number, meaning the second number is bigger than the first number by 4. Mathematically, the second number, which is A, is means equal to 4 more than the first. When we say a number is 4 more than the first, it means that we have to add the 4 to the first number. The more means addition. So 4 more than the first, it means 4 plus the first number. Because the more means addition. More means you are increasing the thing. It is addition. You get it? We have 2 ways we can write it. But this one, I'm writing it in a direct way. So the second number, which is A, is 4 more than the first. Is means equal to 4 more than the first means addition. 4 added to the first number. The first number is m plus 4. So this is 4 more than the first. It means I have to add 4 to the first number. Let me label this one as equation 2. Now let's move on. And the third number is 8 more than the second number. So this one is also a relationship between the third number and the second number. The third number is bigger than the second number by 8. Or the third number is equal to 8 more than. The more than means addition, just like the first statement. The more means addition. It means that before we can get a third number, we have to add 8 to the second number before we can get a third number. You get me? So the third number here is B. So which means B is equal to 8 more than the first. So 8 more than means addition. 8 added to the second number. 8 more than the second. It means 8 added to the second number. The second number here is A. So the same as A plus 8. Now, let me label this one as equation 3. All being the same. I have B is equal to A plus 8. But I know that A is equal to M plus 4. So this A is the same as M plus 4. This A is the same as M plus 4 from equation 2 plus the 8. So which means that B is equal to, so I substituted the value of A into this one. So this one is the same as M plus 4 plus 8 will give us 12. Let me label this one as equation 3. Now, so I'm coming to deal with this equation 3 to get the values for all the answers. From the first equation, M plus A plus B is equal to 58. That is, when we add all the three numbers, it's supposed to give us 58. So from equation 1, I have M plus A plus B is equals to 58. So I can put equation 2 and equation 3 into equation 1. What does it mean? It means that wherever that I see A in equation 1, I'm going to put M plus 4 there. Wherever that I see B in equation 1, I'm going to put M plus 12 there. So what does it mean? So we have the first number, which is M. Okay, so I'm going to put equation 2 and equation 3 into equation 1. From equation 1, we have M plus A. What is A? A is equation 2, which is M plus 4. So A is M plus 4 plus B. What is B? B is equation 3, which is M plus 12. So we have M plus 12 equal to 58. Now at this point, we can easily solve for the value of M. M plus M plus M, you have 3 M's. And then 4 plus 12 will give us 16 equal to 58. So at this point, it tends to linear equation, so we can easily solve for the value of x, the value of M. Now let's see. So I have 3M, you group items nicely, 58 minus 16. Now 3M, subtract 16 from 58, what are you going to get? So when we subtract this one, I'm going to give 242. Now at this point, we can divide both sides by M. So M is equal to 42 out of 3. M will give us 1 and then 4. M is equal to 14. So 3 going to 42 14 times. How are we going to get the A? Where is the A? A is equal to M plus 14. So we have our A is equal to M. M is 14 plus 4, which will give us 18. And what is our B? B is equal to M, which is 14 plus 12. and this one will give us 14 plus 4 will give us 26. So therefore, what are the numbers? The numbers are M, A, and B. M is 14, A is 18, and B is 26. These are the numbers. You see, the question is very simple, but you just have to know how the word problem works. It's very, very simple. I hope you get it. You have to close this one, go through, solve it again using your own understanding, and then I'm sure that you are good to go. See you another time. Bye.